Hello YouTubers. Hey, I want to show you my tactical 12 gauge shotgun. This is about as tactical. This is about as tactical as I will get. I think somewhere along the years I've missed out on the tactical stuff. So this is what I got. It's a Smith & Wesson model 916A 12 gauge. Shoots 2 3/4 3-inch magnums. I actually bought this gun the year I graduated high school, which 1981, and I bought it from a friend of mine. I'm gonna tell you what, I read, it was hit or miss with these shotguns, but this one here was a hit, because I think they made them like 72, 3, and 4, early 70s. They made these. They was gonna try to compete with Remington's law enforcement market. They didn't do too well. They had from what I've read, they had a bunch of them that was bad. Then I think they sold them to, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Howa, Howa. They started making them in Japan. But this one right here is actually made in Springfield, Mass. Now this is not no Safe Queen or Desk Queen. There's the Smith & Wesson crest. I would dare to say there's not many shotguns, I dare to say, on YouTube that's had as many rounds pounded as this one has. You can see where it's got the wear on the arm and there on the tube, and I guess it was before its time. It holds 8 2 3/4 and 7 3-inch magnums, and all those can be +1. So we're gonna shoot some 3-inch magnum double-aught buck. When's the last time you bought double-aught buck with actually 15 pellets? Well, can you see that price? For $3.95. So I don't know, they may or may not shoot. We'll see. We may exact some revenge on our old friend, the water heater. For all them times where you've given me cold water, I'm gonna give you some lead. We'll give it Mr. Water Jug. And there you have it. Smith & Wesson 12 gauge pop. The original tactical. Thanks for watching. I'm done.